Hi guys, it's your girl Z. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I had promised you guys, I am going to make a video today of loading my thread and my bobbin and basically start sewing. So I'm going to take you through just a mini tutorial of how to do that. So I'm going to be using a blue thread today, and so you're just going to take out your bobbin. The case has a bobbin inside, and then on your machine, before you even switch on your machine, there's a side that has a needle. That's where you push this button when you're sewing, and then when you're loading your bobbin, you're gonna push it up so that it can come on the other side that has two circles. And then on top of your machine, this part, that is where you're gonna insert your bobbin. When you're done inserting your bobbin, you're gonna go ahead and take your thread and put it in here, and then there's a first notch, this thing, so you make sure that your thread goes over that, and then there's a hole there. Make sure it also goes into that hole, and then it goes straight to the bobbin, ne? And then you can just roll like the first roll with your hand like that to just make sure it holds, okay? And then when you're done rolling that with your hand, you can just hold it so that when the process starts, it doesn't like flip over. And then when you're done putting it like that, then you just push to that side so that it can lock. And then when you're done, you're just gonna switch on your machine. Then you start pressing on your presser foot. And as it's doing that, it's basically loading your bobbin. I'm just holding it there so that it can be even. And if it's not going as even, you can use a pencil or anything to just hold underneath and make it just. You see, when it's done, it's like it's just gonna stop on its own. And then you take out, you can just cut it somewhere there, and then you push it back. Remember, you lock it, so you unlock it there, and you take out your bobbin like that, and then your bobbin case, and then you make sure that you put your bobbin clockwise, okay, on your bobbin case like that. And then you look for that hole to check if your bobbin is nice and steady. You can just do this, and then if it doesn't fall or flip over, then you know that you've inserted your bobbin like the correct way, okay? And then when you're done, you're gonna go back to the setting and change this. You're taking it back to the needle because you're downloading your bobbin. And then you can just go ahead and move it from here. And then there's a wheel on the side, so you're gonna turn your wheel up, and then that is gonna be there. And then you just hook your thread and you take it back down, and then you insert it there. And then you're gonna insert your bobbin case back to where it stays. And make sure you get that kick sound that it makes, okay? That sound. So if it doesn't make that sound, it means you inserted your bobbin case the wrong way. And then you close and then you put back the arm. You can just insert your thread, then you're all good to go.